Ẹ̀yin tèmi onílé aláyọ̀ ṣàlàáfíà lẹ wà gẹ́gẹ́ bí èmi Hajia on point by 2 ṣe wà lénìí. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, a lè mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ sọ bí 100% bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ bá mi gbà bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ like, ẹ comment, ẹ follow, ẹ subscribe. Thank you. Fídíò tí mo ṣe last time, tí mo sọ wípé ta ló fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ dó, ṣé mọ̀ pé mo showcase voice note àwọn obìnrin ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ méjì. Mo ní voice note tó pọ̀ yẹ́ẹ̀yẹ́, ìwọ ti lọ mú obìnrin wá láti ilé ìyá rẹ̀, láti ilé bàbá rẹ̀. You understand? Ó mú wá sílé rẹ̀ as ìyàwó. Láti ṣe your duty, ó wò pé ìgbádùn yóò gbọdọ̀ pọ̀ fún un. Mo wá ní story ẹlẹ́hà kan wà nílẹ̀ pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbọ́, kẹ́ fún mi comment. Àwọn ẹlòmíì sì fún mi comment pé Hajia a fẹ́ gbọ́. Meanwhile, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé ibì kan ló ti ń bọ̀. So ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ti gbọ́. So yẹ yín, ayé ti dayé ọ̀làjú, àtúnṣe là ń wá. Ẹ má lọ mú ìyàwó wá láti ilé wọn. Kó wá wò pé ìbálòpọ̀ ó ti máa dùn mọ́ jù. Pé tó bá ṣe style yìí fún, ó ti dùn mọ́ jù. Tó bá fẹnu kan ìyàwó rẹ̀ lẹ́nu, ó ti dùn mọ́ jù. Tó bá ẹnu kan lọ́yàn, ó ti dùn mọ́ jù. Tó bá lábẹ́ rẹ̀, ó ti dùn mọ́ jù. Like ó wá weak, ó dẹ̀ ó wá ní lára, ó jẹ́ kó gbádùn. Ẹ̀yin story yẹn wà. Mo mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ towards the end ni. Kẹ́ lè bá mọ̀ pé story yẹn wà, ó wà lẹ̀. Kí ló dé tó ní ọmọ lára? Kí là ń pè lọ́kọ àti ìyàwó? Ẹ̀yin ọkọ wa, ẹ ṣe the needful. Ẹ ṣe the needful. So yẹn, wọ́n ti already hair ẹ̀yin platform kan, but mo mọ̀ pé àwọn kan tí gbọ́. Tí a bá ti wá gbọ́ complain, èmi ò wá hair o. Ẹ̀yin ọkọ wa tẹ́ há wa. Ẹ dákun, ẹ ṣe the needful. So yẹn, ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló ń rọ̀nù lára àwa náà. Àwa náà sì mọ́ nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ìbálòpọ̀ romances. Ẹ̀yin ọkọ ẹlẹ́hà wa. So yẹn, mi ò ní sọ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ lórí ìyẹn nísìn. Okay, ẹ̀yin títẹ̀ mi, mo wá mú voice note kan wá. Ṣé ẹ rí voice note yìí? Earlier this year ni. Mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀bẹ̀ tí mi showcase voice note yẹn. Kíní yẹn ó ń hó lórí mi láti wá fi ṣe lecture. Opportunity wá nítorí fídíò tí mo ṣe last. Mo sọ fún ẹ̀yin obìnrin, mo ní orí bíbẹ́ kọ́ ni oògùn orí fífọ́. Ẹ máa gbọ́ voice note yẹn. Tẹ́ ẹ bá wá gbọ́ voice note yẹn, màá wá padà wá sọ sí. Ẹ ṣe sùúrù, ẹ wò tán, ẹ ṣe sùúrù. Tẹ́ ẹ bá wò tán, like ẹ ṣe conclusion without knowing where I'm going to.
You know how many times I saw the woman, they rub me with them, say, oh yeah, take your prick, rub me, oh yeah, touch me, oh yeah, hold my breast. Every time she would tell me, say, the woman like me, the woman won't fuck me. All those kind of year talk. Even this woman, when they accuse me for that church, you don't tell me how many times say the woman like me. Go and that lady, Mercy Young, will come up for the church. He said that one.
It won't put you up it won't break your defense so that you don't go get any reason to challenge her.
Okay.
What is they try to do now? Person like that now, reverse psychology, they can manipulate us. Now, what they do, they make you relax and become territorial. If you do that, it will begin command you anyhow. It go on rule you.
Okay.
So you don't win your defense now. Now blackmailers have been now. And anybody where you go tell you the truth, you go spoil your mind against the person. Make you no come go there. Me, I tell them that the way me I have quarrel where like my I say, you know me, ba? Me, I know the fear to go internet go talk. If you say go if you blackmail me, I go tell them say I do and I go give them evidence. When I show them one view of her body and the things who I know about her, and I said that they not talk to me again. He took her time to
Really? The woman go report me to Facebook. They block my Facebook account. I wish I get all this kind of picture. It gets some other picture when I get for her. I said I could just use another phone. Set the thing up. Just send her up. I send her out. Make it hold her head.
I'm telling you.
I swear.
You know, so take her around, Shumana. Take her around, Piano.
Hey, get one thing which they do. Sorry, you're an apostle.
Yeah.
Maybe an apostolic thing be this thing, I don't know. From I meet her,
Yeah.
She always use her piece, early morning piece, go bath with alligator and all those things. What does that? Do you do that?
No, I will never do that.
So what is it?
And that's spiritism now.
Then he say
That's
Miriam they
pretty.
use a mirror till they look things, they check.
Marine spirit with that now. Water spirit.
Because they don't make her now the chief priestess of Igbe
Yes, that
for
is.
in Mama place. She they wear one chain sef for leg now.
The secret of the Mariam.
No, Mariam.
Water people now.
Okay.
She care about person. No. If to say that ever break up, me I for say make you the roll the woman. They just believe them for open relationship.
Make I
Open
tell you
relationship.
something. If she had come to me and say, my guy, come here, allow me make her play.
Yeah, make you play, make her play.
Thank you.
A better relationship with that.
Now, I go keep her quiet and make she dey do her thing. But the one when he can't do like say he too clever, then on top of that, he can't the one act.
But she jealous well.
How you take know?
I say, you know how many years I did that? 4 years now.
Are you serious?
I did that with UK at the same time.
Really?
About
that you carry her. Okay, let me can hate the babe. Say you don't like that babe.
Yes, I did that 2 of them at the same time that time.
2 solid babes, and then that one go maybe they go they cry the same way. Because now
I did to career 5 years and 6 months. 5 years and 6 months. Now the car travel everywhere now. Everywhere they go.
You know that chicken they hold me for work, eh? The first week when I don't meet her, she just carry me come house, I blow her. Yeah. When we first they talk, he don't tell me say, since he leave her husband though, 8 years he never fuck. The thing just scatter my head. So when I just started to play with her, see the way just they squirt, they go. I said, "Na true this woman talk." Naka. Over 3 weeks later, I see they squirt like that. Now I say no. If you like say that this woman body this thing, they know. This one I don't the fire. Hey God. When they tell me say in for like make her the smoke Igbo. Say if I the smoke, say men with the smoke Igbo.
She don't introduce that part of her to me, but I suspected it.
She didn't introduce it to you, okay, you get luck. Yeah. She don't drink alcohol for your front.
She don't smoke from my present.
I know shark.
No, they drink red wine. They bring red wine with the drink to them. Because they just introduced me to red wine. I wasn't drinking red wine.
No. And vodka and this thing she did drink, Guinness. Anytime she did fly, enter plane, won't come Nigeria. The first thing when she did go buy for duty free, you go they lie, they say that people they bring present for. We don't buy like 4 or 5 bottles of alcohol.
About babe, I don't say about girl. Now me keep a quiet. If I call her now, she will go.
You know what you go do. Just call her now because she don't rent house. Just call her now. Say how far now? Why they do like that? Say you're ready to blow now. Then you go blow am.
I'm telling you, I'm pumping now.
I beg. You must fire around. This one, blow away, right, left, center. I mean that outside boy, you know, say person pass person.
It didn't work.
Yes, now.
It didn't work. Don't be smart, you know. Care about them now, chicory. What do you want to tell about chicory? The Bolo children, Igbo they speak.
Yes.
They were speaking the Igbo. They say they speak one kind. That's why you can speak Igbo. To not 2 of them speak Igbo. Well, there are 2 of them.
That's true. Very Igbotic people. The way she do the holla.
Local women. Local Igbotic people.
In a boomo. Hey, labam. We go tell you labam.
Yeah, you know.
Hey. As he just meet me, he say, make it fair way my Ebola. I say, now my pastor be this.
Bad person.
Amen.
ẹ̀yin tèmi welcome back. ṣé ẹ rí ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo bá yín mú wá ní ṣókí ó pọ̀ o ó pọ̀ ó pọ̀ ó pọ̀ ó pọ̀ ó gùn bẹ̀tì ìwọ̀nba ni mo mú wá. Single mommy àbẹ́yìn tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń plan láti di single mommy ó wà nílé ọkọ o nítorí nǹkan kékeré tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mójútó ó tún wá ń gbìyànjú pé wàá fi ọkọ yẹn lẹ̀ wàláì mọ̀ bọ̀ wá ta sórí nǹkan tójú single mommy ń rí òun ló ń rí yẹn. Single mommy ni ẹ́ àbí aṣẹ́wó? Ṣé single mommy ni ẹ́ àbí aṣẹ́wó? Are you a responsible mommy or anímọ̀ṣàwọn káàkiri? Ẹ gbọ́ fídíò. ṣé ẹ rí àwọn single mommies tí wọ́n ń discuss níbí báyìí àwọn náà pastor ni wọ́n ṣe o pastor làwọn single mommy yìí ń ṣe ṣé ẹ rí àwọn tó wá ń discuss wọn pastor náà làwọn náà o pastor òun ni àwọn náà. ṣé wàá gbọ́ àwọn méjèèjì yìí wọn ò fẹ́ràn ara wọn o wọ́n ń jẹra wọn lẹ́sẹ̀. ṣé ẹ rí èyí the other pastor yẹn tó ń sọ wípé obìnrin yẹn mọ bó ṣe mọ ń kígbe yẹn ó lè ti ní knowledge pé the other one fẹ́ ó mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ yẹ̀yẹ́ obìnrin yẹn ni. tẹ bá dẹ̀ wo ọkàn the other pastor tí wọ́n ń sọ fún ẹ rí i pé nínú ọkàn rẹ̀ ó sì fẹ́ràn arábìnrin tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú bó ṣe ringington ó sì fẹ́ràn rẹ̀ kò ready láti ẹ̀ ti let her go but kí ló fẹ́ ṣe arákùnrin this other one tó ń analyse bóbìnrin yẹn ṣe mọ́ ṣe ringington yẹn arákùnrin yẹn ti already bàjẹ́ ó ti already bàjẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin single mommy you see because as a single mommy you are your own o láti rí ọkùnrin tó sọ pé òun nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ 100% òun rìn láti bíbá dé Amẹ́ríkà o lè mọ́ rí as a single mommy o lè mọ́ rí. Mò ń sọ ilé fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ sọ wípé ẹ fẹ́ fọkọ́lẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ọmọ dódò tí wọ́n fi gbá yín mú tí wọ́n fi lé yín síta ẹ̀yin ẹ wò àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wọ́n lè mọ pass yín síra wọn ẹ̀yin ẹ wò lè very disgusting. Èmi ò wá mú wá láti tàbùkù ẹ̀sìn o èmi ò kí ń ṣe antagonist ẹ̀sìn èmi ò dẹ̀ kí mi ì fẹ́ ba mi lè bẹ̀sìn jẹ́ fẹ́lẹ́sìn o kì í ṣe pé bóyá mo wá fi ṣe antagonist ẹ̀sìn kankan o mo kàn fẹ́ fi yé yín ni nígbà tí àwọn pastor bá lè ṣe lè definitely à ń bọ̀sibọ́sí àwọn tó pastor kí la tiẹ̀ ń wí ṣé bá ara ẹ̀ náà là ń sọ sàrà ni ṣé bá ara ẹ̀ náà ni ṣé bí the same thing náà ló já wá ló fà wá orí bíbẹ́ kọ́ ni ògùn orí fífọ́ o ṣọlá obìnrin tó wà ń ta yẹn nǹkan tójú wọn rí wàláhì tàláhì wọn ò ní sọ arábìnrin kan tó ti ná gbòòrò tó ti ná gbàrà tó ti ná gbogbo ẹ̀ ó settle down ó wá tó gẹ́ báyìí ó ló wá tó gẹ́ kó mọ́ sọkọ ara wọn ó ló tó gẹ́ because àìmọye nǹkan tójú ń rí èmi ń sọ ilé mi ò sọ nítorí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti wà ń ta ìwọ tó ti wà ń ta dìrọ̀ mọ́ iṣẹ́ tó bá dìrọ̀ mọ́ iṣẹ́ ọkùnrin alálùbáríkà ó máa wá but mi assure rẹ pé ọkùnrin alálùbáríkà tó máa wá gan ó lè nífẹ̀ẹ́. Single mommies you are on your own. I'm telling you are on your own because ibi tí ẹ bá ti ń wáfẹ́ ìyẹn lè mọ fẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ àtọ̀rẹ́ at the end of the day wọ́n á mọ discuss èèyàn báyìí. So ìwọ tó wà nílé ọkọ dìrọ̀ mọ́kọ ẹ and at the same time mi ò sọ wípé ọkùnrin tó bá ń ṣèṣekúṣe torí pé a ní kò dìrọ̀ mọ́ kó mọ́ lè lanu kó mọ́ lè caution ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin ẹ ṣàánú àwọn obìnrin yìí náà do the needful ìwọ fẹ́yàwó ń sìn ó ní style kan wà ó mọ dùnmọ́ jù ok wọ́n ní wọ́n ń la ẹ tú upside down ẹ rí ibi tí wọ́n ti takò ìyàwó rẹ̀ sì nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ìyàwó rẹ̀ sì mọ́ ń bá ẹ̀wọ̀ láti ẹ̀ kí ló dé tẹ́ bára yín wò sí àsìlọ́kọláya kíkiní kó mọ̀ dùn lọ. Ẹ̀yin tèmi nǹkan tí mo mú wálé ni it is not about tìbọ̀ láàdó mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ yẹn ni kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ kí orí ẹ̀yin single mommy kórí yín mọ̀ pé kórí ẹ̀yin single mommy kó mọ̀ pé you understand ìyẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ at the end of the day wọ́n mọ̀ra wọn mọ̀ discuss ẹ̀ kọ́ lọ́n ṣàánú wa bye for now.